Okay, homies, so we just went and got this oil filter housing cap. I got it off this monstrosity X5, thinking it would be the same because engine's the same, but it's not the same, obviously. Looks okay. So now, basically, but for some reason, it's off the same engine on the X5, and obviously I thought it was going to be exactly the same, and the cap looks the same, but this, the filter on it was much shorter. It's not the same, you twat, so that's why. Yes, I have to remove this and put on my own longer one. So
are you sure you have a longer one?
I'm guessing.
Of course I am.
You have to press this for this to pop out. Man, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna be fucking screwed for a couple of days. Shit. And so fucking what? So that's all you have? Just this shit. What the fuck? Guess what? I've managed to pull it off. Obviously broke something, but I think something flew away far beyond the reach of space. And when you have a fucking mess in your garage like this, you don't have a chance in hell of finding it. And I reckon it was like a clip, but anyway, I might look for it later. I just want to show you how shittily things are made these days. So you basically got this that sits in there, and I really don't know why the fuck they made it like that. Well, I actually do know why the fuck. Because if you're using a wrench like I have, this thing is not solid, and so it breaks, and then you have to go back to those fuckers and buy a new one, or find someone with the same who's breaking. And I'll update you later how we get on. Well, tomorrow now. Found it. And all it was this little hippiness that sits in there. And that's what was stopping it from coming off. And why the fuck was it not coming off? I really don't know. Well, we won't break it. We'll just pull it off next time and leave it. I think this is just a placement thing. Like, make sure it's in the middle. It's not actually supposed to hold it or anything. So hopefully it will be a nice easy job tomorrow. Shit. And it's the wrong fucking one. God damn it. And it's the wrong one. So, a good lesson to learn. Even though it's the same engine on the 7 Series and X5, the cap is fucking wrong. Shit. Oh well. And here's the difference, lads and lasses. The X5 one is wider, so don't be fooled.